Day one of CES 2022 kicked off with showcases of a new range of gaming monitor announcements by Samsung in their Odyssey lineup. This time around, Samsung is taking a more traditional gaming monitor form factor, but turning it up to 11. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoyed new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick first look at the Odyssey Neo G8 here in Las Vegas at CES 2022. Although limited in what we know right now on the Neo G8, here is a quick breakdown of the specs. We are looking at a 32-inch monitor with a 1000 R curve radius, packing a 4K UHD resolution and a colossal 240Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. Samsung is using Quantum Mini LEDs with Quantum HDR 2000 support, which is set to produce a peak max brightness of 2000 nits. What is also confirmed is support for G-Sync and FreeSync adaptive sync refresh when gaming for that smooth experience and with minimal to no tearing and frame stutters. Although not confirmed yet, we do suspect the panel type being used here is VA compared to IPS, but more details on that will be confirmed come the final release. No news on the ports for the inputs and output at the moment, but with such top tier specs, we should expect to see ports like HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 come final release, and hopefully multiple amounts of these ports as well. My thoughts and impressions of the Neo G8 that this could potentially be my next gaming monitor purchase, all depending on the final pricing, specs when it comes to the inputs and outputs, and also the quality of the experience when using a panel for gaming and day-to-day work. Again, pricing availability is yet to be confirmed, but no doubt sometime soon in 2022. What are your thoughts on the Neo G8? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.